Hello. Hi everyone. Today I want to share with you how I made box for my Christmas cards. I thinking that box because I already decorate some postcard and I don't have envelope for them, and my idea was made the box. So for the box I will need ruler, pencil, knife, glue, score, scissors, double tape, cutter, whiskers, and scoreboard. So let's see do it. Card have 11 by 18 centimeters, box 12 by 19 centimeters, 1 centimeter different. For box bottom, so for that I will need 15 by 22 centimeters, 3 centimeters different like box because we need that edges for box. Lid have 15.5 centimeter by 22.5 centimeters. Box have window, that one. So window have 16 by 10 centimeters, and we will score all the basic for cards 1.5 centimeters. So let's see do it. First I find bottom which have 15 by 22. So let's see score 1.5 centimeters. All four sides. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Oh, something that's bad. Okay. And also for lid. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we can put scoreboard aside and let's see work on the box. Yes, that's box because lid is 0.5 centimeter bigger. So now I can sit. I hope we'll see. Yes. So I take a scissors, turn the paper, and I going to cut this corner and take off that piece. 1, now here, 2, have to be very careful. Okay, other side. off and forward. Okay, now I score and help with score bones. 1, 2, 3, also that teeny corners, and 4. Now I take it glue and glue that squares. 1, 2, 3rd, and 4th. Okay, I closed glue, and now a little bit put glue still. Okay. And now we're going to glue it. So I put that square inside the, and what I do, I take it, this pins, office pins, like that, also the other side. It's easy, I think, and helps for the cut. This little bit put inside. And we let this dry. Now we take it lid. For lid, first I want to cut window inside. I take a ruler and make what we have to cut. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. 3 and 4. And now I take a knife and cut paper in. We want to take that off. So we have window. Now I take it eraser erase this mark. Okay. Now I take it double tape and glue around this hole. Okay, to be realistic, I take that bone and push this tape. Then I take it top of that double tape okay, and now I take it that acetate which have 16 by 10 centimeters and glue it on. So now we have window, and now we need finish the lid. So again I cut that off. Actually is place where is score mark. So I take this off on 4 sides. Then I fold all that score line. And we will continue like when we do bottom of box. Okay, here is 4. Now I take it glue. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Close the glue. It's important. And now I just a little bit stir the glue to not go out of when we put everything together. So now 1, 2, 3, 4, put inside, and let's go to glue it. Again I help with pin off from office. Okay. Third. And fourth. So now we have the lid. Then I will clean the window. Okay. So I prepare for decoration these two strips. And I show you how I do corner from that. Okay. So I put glue here, not for full side of okie dokie, one. I want to have this part empty. Okay, I take this off. I hope it's glued. Okay, so I put glue just on this part that stay